In this video, we will be covering the basics of using the Libby app to access online ebooks, audiobooks, and periodicals through different devices. First things first, you'll need your library card and library PIN. If you don't have your card or know your PIN number, call or visit your local library in person to renew or get a new card and/or to reset your PIN. Once you have your card number and PIN, download the Libby app and log in. You can usually find and download the Libby app through your mobile device's App Store. You can also access Libby through any browser by going to www.libbyapp.com. That's www.libbyapp.com. Once you download and click on the Libby app or go to www.libbyapp.com, you should be brought to a screen like this, asking if you have a library card. After affirming that you do have a library card by clicking on Yes, you'll then want to search for your library, which you can do by selecting the Search for Library option and typing in either your library's name, city, or zip code number. In this tutorial, my library is the Morris County Library. If you type in your library, city, or zip code, your library should now appear below for you to select. After selecting your local library, you should be brought to the main Library Alliance Libby page, where you can use the search bar to find specific titles or explore our digital book displays under categories like fiction, nonfiction, audiobooks, magazines, and more. But before you start searching for your first digital material to read, you will want to add your library card. Once you select your library, you should see an option that says Sign in with my card. Select this and type in your library card number, which you can find on the back of your library card. Once you type in your library card number, hit Sign in, and you will be prompted to input your library PIN number. Remember, if you do not know your PIN, call your local library to get it reset. Once you've typed both your card number and PIN in, hit Sign in, and there you go. You are now logged into your library's Libby account. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask any librarian the next time you stop by, or give us a call at 973-285-6970, and we will be happy to walk you through the process. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.